Hey, John, do you ever feel awkward after saying, "How are you?"
Oh, totally. I say, I'm fine, thanks. And then silence.
Yeah, it happens to everyone. But today, let's fix that. We're talking about how to master small talk beyond "How are you?"
So, why is how are you not enough?
It's polite, but it doesn't build real connection. People just say it out of habit.
Right. It's like pressing the auto button in conversation.
Exactly. If you stop there, the talk dies quickly. But if you go further, it can lead to great connections at work, parties, or even meeting new friends.
So, what can we say instead?
Use what's around you. Look for something in the moment.
Like, it's really nice weather today, or this cafe has a great vibe.
Perfect! That's observation-based small talk. It's real and natural.
And what if I don't know what to say?
Use the Ford method. Talk about family, occupation, recreation, or dreams.
Oh, like, how's your new job going? Or do you have any plans for the weekend?
Exactly! It helps you move from small talk to meaningful conversation.
So instead of asking, do you like your job? I should ask, what do you enjoy most about your job?
That invites a real answer.
Oh, not just yes or no.
Right. Open-ended questions show interest and keep the talk flowing.
What if I'm nervous and forget what to say next?
Then listen carefully. People usually give you clues.
Like if they say, I just got back from Japan, I can ask, wow, what was your favorite part?
Exactly. Follow-up questions make the other person feel heard. And remember, nod, smile, and use small reactions like, "Really?" or "That's cool."
Okay, last question. How do I end small talk politely?
Great one. You can say something like, "Anyway, it was great talking with you," or "I'll let you get back to work."
Simple and polite. I like that.
Yup, leave a good impression and an opening for next time.
So, small talk isn't just how are you, it's about connecting.
Exactly. Notice, ask, listen, and respond. That's how you master it.
Let's all practice this week. Start one small conversation every day.
And tell us in the comments how it goes. Let's speak up together. Comment below.